All right, hello again. We are on to the third lesson, because we skipped lesson 2, of this ratio and proportional relationships unit in pre-algebra. Today we're converting unit rates from one unit rate to another. We got this amazing looking leafy sea dragon here. We can calculate their average rate of speed in inches per minute because they don't go that fast. But it is pretty cool looking. Looks like a salad. Animal salad. All right, so how do we do this? This is called dimensional analysis. What we're going to do is we're going to convert from one unit rate to another. So like inches per minute, we're going to go to like feet per second or something like that. So sometimes we're going to convert one unit, sometimes we're going to convert both. But the key is we're going to find out what is the conversion between one unit to another. We're going to make that unit conversion into a fraction. We're going to multiply fractions by the starting unit rate to get to our final unit rate. So it maybe will look a little easier than it sounds. So let's say we have this teenager here that spends $1,742 per year on fashion-related items. So first take and write your unit rate, $1,742 per 1 year. How much is this per week? So money per week. So our goal, I always write the goal at the end, money per week. And this helps me see what do I need to change. Do I need to change one or both? So we look, money is already money, so that doesn't need to change. Years does need to turn into weeks. So we got to look, what is the conversion between years and weeks? 1 year is 52 weeks. So our goal is to get to weeks. Weeks are on bottom. So the 52 weeks has to stay on bottom. 1 year goes on top. So my conversion becomes a fraction. Make sure the goal lines up. So weeks on bottom, weeks on bottom. So if I look at my big fraction here, this is like a complex fraction from the last lesson. 1742 is on top, 52 is on bottom, so that means I have to divide. Numbers on top I would multiply, numbers on bottom I will divide. So 1742 divided by 52 makes $33.50. Spends $33.50 per week on clothing, the average teenager. On to the next one. We have the TGV is a high-speed rail train in France. At top speed, it runs an average of 320 kilometers an hour. It's pretty fast. All right. How many meters per second is this? Now look at this. Kilometers to meters we need to do. That's 1. Hours to seconds we need to do. That's 2. So how many kilometers are in a meter, or vice versa? Meters are smaller. So there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. Remember, if you don't know the conversion, do whatever it takes to figure it out. Excuse me, I emailed you a conversion sheet with a whole bunch of stuff, any conversion you possibly need. But with metrics, it's really easy because you just look at the prefix. Kilo means 1,000 of something, so 1,000 meters in a kilometer. 1 hour, seconds. Seconds are on bottom. How many seconds are in an hour? So there's 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, so 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds in 1 hour. Now notice, there's 2 numbers on top that I'm going to multiply. 1 number on bottom. So I'm going to do 320 times 1,000 divided by 3,600. Boom. And I get my answer of 88.8 repeating. So let's just round it to 89 meters per second. It's good enough. It doesn't say it around unless it's set up here. It doesn't. So we're just going to go and round it to the whole number. An adult cheetah can run about 70 miles per hour. Pretty fast. Fastest land animal. How fast is this in feet per second? Okay, so once again, we have to go miles to feet, hours to seconds. We already know the hours to seconds. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Now, for feet, miles to feet, it's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Okay, so there's 2 numbers on top, 70 and 5,280, 3,600 on the bottom. Divided by 3,600, and I get 103 rounded feet per second. Whoops, if I can write 103. I'm out of room.